Hello my friends! Today is another unboxing day. This is a PR box from Clear Jelly Stamper all the way in Canada. They reached out to me, it's only been like a week, asking if I wanted some plates and stuff. So I said, of course. And they said, would you like to pick your own plates? And I said, you better do it, because I'll be deciding forever. So I have no idea what's in here. There is a little bit of like a inventory or manifest, whatever you call this, but I haven't read it, I promise. I have no idea what's in here. So this is a pretty big box. So they said they were going to send me a stamper, and this is it. I'm trying to get it open. There we go. Looks like a little bow. So this is a double-headed stamper. So you can use two in one. And I think they sent me 5 different plates. Oh, we got pictures here. So we got a little maple candy. Looks good. I'll save that. I'll have to hide that for later. Looks like they threw in, oh my gosh, kind of a lot of stamping polish here. Let's see. This is some instructions on how to stamp. No photos. Yeah, that's very in-depth, very detailed. Okay, wow, yeah, there's a lot here. They did, so like I said, they sent me a PR box. Gosh, it's been over a year for sure. And I did film it, but then I didn't end up posting it. I don't remember why. So I think they sent me this polish before. This looks really familiar. Do these have names? I guess not. So as you can tell, I don't shop at Clear Jelly Stamper too often. Obviously they're one of the OGs, and I think their plates are really great. In the past, I've had a little bit of mixed success with some of their plates, and I know that using the stamping polish is normally one of the ways to improve on using some of these shallow or etched plates if that's an issue. But then other plates I have from them are totally fine, so I don't know, maybe it was just a problem in the past with a couple extra plates, but because these look etched just fine. Okay, I'll look at these in a little bit. So I did tell them that I already have a bunch of plates from them, and I didn't want anything like with just random swirls and stuff because I already have a bunch, and I didn't need more. I'm just not very good at showcasing those kind of things. So I'm just noticing this. Do not show until released on clearjellystamper.com. Okay, good thing I saw that. So if you're watching this, then these are all released. These are all available on the Clear Jelly Stamper website. So let's go through them. This is CJS 338. And this is sort of, is this arabesque? Maybe not, but anyway, this sort of really beautiful kind of wallpapery looking patterns. I love how CJS has these little guides to their stamping images. So these are layered, and I think it would be fun to do a tutorial video with this one. I really like layered images, so this is cool. I like this plate. So that was CJS 338. I like this one a lot. This is a Mom and Dad's Day. Again, a layered plate, and this has a nice guide in it. Sometimes they just have the guide where it just shows you the end result, but this is the first time I've seen with actually the, you know, this and then this and then this. So that's really cool. Oh, I really like this image here. Gotta admit, I'm not a mom or a parent, and I never will be, and yeah, life is tricky, right? But yeah, this is pretty cool. There's some interesting images on here. If I don't end up using this myself, maybe we'll do a giveaway. So yeah, we've got dads and moms, babies. Okay. This is, oh yeah, sorry, this one was CJS H108. And this is a kind of wild animal looking patterns here. What is this one? CJS 340. I love their color examples here. That's really funky and pretty. Yeah, that's super cool. I really like that. This is my favorite so far. It's raining here, or it's actually snowing. It's like a wintry mix, so it's a little bit of sound on the roof. These are cool. Yeah, that one's my fave so far. This is CJS H107, and this is an Easter plate. Honestly, I am not into Easter at all. I couldn't care less. I just think it's like a holiday for little kids, right? Anyway, but these aren't very Eastery. Like, this just looks really like kind of old school cartoon, and I'm like really digging it. Like, look at this keep on trucking egg, and these kind of like hip looking, yeah, this is cool. It almost looks like some interesting sort of tattoo flash. Look at this chicken. So yeah, it's definitely an Easter plate, but I think it doesn't have to be, which I appreciate, because not everybody kind of celebrates these religious holidays. You can see it a little better here. Easter groovin'. Okay, that makes sense. So it is supposed to be like a hippie retro thing. Okay, and this is our last plate. This is a St. Patrick's Day plate. This is another one of those holidays where I'm like, why? See it a little better. So here's our guide for CJS H103. And we've got sort of like some hipster looking beards and glasses, and like, I guess those are supposed to be like leprechaun shoes, but they really look like they could be like witches' shoes. So yeah, even though these are really like heavily holiday themed plates, there is quite a lot going on here that you can use them in a non-holiday way. And so like I said, I do appreciate that. I like this layered, like the plaid rainbow. That's super cool. The plaid mustache. I think maybe the moment for mustaches has came and went, but I don't know. That's really funny. Shake your shamrocks. Little kisses. Oh yeah, like plaid kisses. I'm not Irish, but kiss me anyway. Yeah, these are cool. So yeah, interesting plates. And then just because I didn't really go through these, we have a black stamping polish. This was that one I opened a minute ago. 162. I guess this is maybe some of their spring colors, or it just looks like it anyway. Here's a purple that has separated a little bit. It's a nice marbling effect in there. 012, really bright green. Very vibrant, Sam colored green. This is white, or it's like sort of a creamy white. That's their like black and white. 003 is it gold? I like this gold, that's pretty. And last, I think I have this one as well. So yeah. Very cool, very cool. Really nice collection of plates, a lot of different things to choose from. I think I made the right choice having them choose for me. There's some things in here that I definitely would not have picked if I had been left to my own devices in that sense. I definitely would not have picked maybe any of them, honestly. But you know how it is, you look at them closer and you realize like how much you can do with it, and just like, you know, how many details are, you know, like, I don't know. I always overlook things when I first look at them, and then when I give it a second or third look, I'm like, oh, okay. Okay. So yeah, like for example, with the Easter one, I mean, that's just cool. It just looks cool. Okay, well, thank you, Clear Jelly Stamper, so much for sending me this. I really, really appreciate it. I think you can look forward to seeing some interesting manicures in the future featuring these products. And there's no discount code or anything for anyone that's watching this. This was just a PR box that they sent me for this purpose, I suppose. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and let me know which one is your favorite plate, if you would have picked any of these plates for yourself. Okay, y'all, until next time, bye.